Wonder what kind of car this was.
We were not able to find any markings on it.
Look at that. Yeah, it's really beat up. Look at that.
Clock stopped.
Yeah, no, this is in really rough shape, obviously. I'm not surprised you couldn't find anything. There's no front end here.
There's no engine either.
No engine. And even if you were familiar with body frames of different types of cars, this is in too rough shape for you to even know. This room's huge, wow.
Yeah, all the tires are taken off.
All right, let's check out the rest of the building here. Yeah, look at all the mildew on these walls here. Look at this.
Rolls-Royce.
Look at this, Rolls-Royce. Whole bunch of Rolls-Royce engines in here. This must have been some sort of exotic car repair shop. All of this is Rolls-Royce equipment, Rolls-Royce engines.
This is GM.
Can't see it too well.
Yeah. It's a fucking Avis tag though. These look really lubricated though.
They are. They do look freshly lubricated. Yeah. I'm not seeing any years or anything on these, but we could tell they're very old. So these stairs are in a pretty interesting spot. That was an old freight elevator. Okay, so we still have all these other buildings to check out. Probably gonna go right in there next. Old fuses here. Those are very serious fuses. This must have been a field day for whoever found these unbroken. Old rusty steel window frames. There's definitely a lot of interesting graffiti in here, all throughout the complex. Some more circuit breakers. Imagine if the lights came on.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's interesting.
No thanks.
Yep, no thanks. Just gonna keep moving on. Trap door.
Should I open it?
Yeah, see what's down there. What? No way.
Oh, it smells awful.
It smells horrible down there. Oh, look at that. There has to be another way to get down.
Yeah, this.
It's just filled with stuff, like random stuff. And it smells like a moldy attic.
Yeah, the tank is that way.
Yeah. Wow. Look at all this in here. Look at all this. So supposedly in this building here, there's actually a tank somewhere. So we're gonna start to get looking for that. All right, let's have a look in here.
Here you go.
Oh, stop it. No way. It's actually here. No way.
It's a French tank.
So this was a French tank.
Yeah.
Do you know about what era it was used?
It's the 60s.
So 60s era French tank right here. Just on the second floor of this forgotten warehouse. How insane is that?
I don't know how you get it up.
How would you even get it up here with no elevators or freight elevators, let alone?
Well, you can still look inside and shit. The steering wheel and everything.
Look at all of these components in here. See the gas pedal and the brake? The sights are right there. Different gauges. And then those small little seats for two other guys to squeeze in here. I can't believe that 3 guys were able to squeeze in here. It must have been like an oven.
Imagine how loud it was when they would fire something off.
Oh my God.
Even the machine gun.
And the kickback in here, the whole thing probably almost lifted off the ground, or at least it probably seemed like it.
This thing doesn't look that heavy for a tank. Here, wait. Thank you.
Looks like more sights there to check out the sides. So let me see what you're doing in there.
It's this.
That, okay, so go. And that's actually getting that to move up and down in order to aim. That's amazing that that still works. This door is rusted shut, but lo and behold, you can still move the big gun. Yeah, fully automatic. Right here. That's something else.
And then this is like view sights.
Yep, yeah, those were the sights right there.
Yep. Then you have up here.
So there were sights here, up there. Here you have a fully automatic machine gun. And
One here too, but some of them.
yeah, it looked like there was also one right there, but it looked like someone knocked it out somehow. And this was your big prize right here. The United States military never used anything like this, never used these, and never would have bought them. So someone had to privately buy this and privately fund its way over here. This is, hands down, without a doubt, one of the coolest things I've ever seen in an abandoned building. Like, you would never expect when you roll into an abandoned warehouse that there would be a tank sitting here. Well, now that we found the tank, that's going to be it for this warehouse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.